Hi there, students. Comity. Comity. Okay, this is an uncountable noun. It means respect, being friendly and polite, particularly in public life or in the international community. So, members of parliament of all different political colours going out for a drink together is an example of comity. Yeah, friendly behaviour, respect. Now, the pronunciation of comity is different from committee. A committee is a group of people delegated to perform a function, but this is comity. So committee, this friendliness, as opposed to committee, a group of people. Committee, the stress is on the first syllable. Committee, not committee, committee. Okay, committee, friendliness, considerate behavior towards others, courtesy, social harmony, particularly between nations. So we have comity between nations. This is the recognition of the laws, of the legal decisions, of the different things of other nations, the laws, the usage of other nations. And this is respecting it. Yes, they are different, but they have the right to be different, and we recognize their right to be different. This is the idea of comity. Comity. A comity of nations, an association of nations for their mutual benefit. I guess the League of Nations is a comity. I guess the European Union is an example of comity. Yeah, courtesy and considerate behaviour. So comity between the different people working in number 10 Downing Street, or comity between the Labour leader and the Conservative leader. Okay, so you want to promote comity, promoting a friendly social atmosphere, friendly social harmony. The comity of civilization. Community from common social institutions. Transatlantic comity. That's the transatlantic relationship between the Americans and the British. Yeah, comity. Being civil to each other, being nice to different people. Maybe comity between different religions. Cooperation between a Muslim and Christian and Jew. And I think there really ought to be comity between all different religions. Okay, so comity, civility, amity, politeness, friendship, courteousness, courtliness. Okay, so comity is good as an example to the inhabitants of a country. Okay, so comity. Yeah, comity. The getting on together, getting on in peaceful harmony. Okay, so this is the idea. In a big country, in a very large country, comity between the different parts of the country can be quite difficult. We've got a synonym, this word called frith, which is the same. It has a similar meaning. Peace and security between different groups. In law, comity is the principle between countries where they recognize each other, they recognize the laws of each other, they recognize the jurisdiction. It's informal, and it's courtesy to which the courtesy which one jurisdiction gives to another jurisdiction, and who is in charge. But comity, being friendly, recognizing the rights and the position of other people and behaving in a friendly way to them. Okay, this word is much more American than British. Although I consider it a fairly formal word. I think I would give comity 6.5, 7 in formality. And as to origin, it comes from Middle English, comity, association. So committee, comitas in Latin, politeness, courtesy. So yeah, it's being polite. It's being neighbourly. It's recognizing another person's rights within their own terrain. So comity, not committee, but comity. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Comity.